Hi guys, I'm Afton and welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. Today is Vlogtober day 5 and I'm going strong. Well, in today's video I want to show you guys how to make Guyanese milk fudge. Alright, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make your fudge melt in your mouth basically. So I'm going to show you guys step by step, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload the next video. Alright, so let me just show you my fudge here. I brought my fudge to work so I can share, because you girl can't eat all of this fudge because this is a lot of fat and I'm trying to lose some weight. So I bring my fudge to share. So you guys got a glimpse of my fudge. So watch the video and you'll see how to make this delicious fudge. This fudge, it's so soft and it's basically melting in your mouth. You see? It melts in my mouth. So just follow my instruction, guys, and all my ingredients and measurements will be in the description box down below. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients, and thank you guys so much for coming back each day to support me with my Vlogtober. Alright, so take care, enjoy. Hey guys, this is my ingredients for my Guyanese milk fudge. So we have some white sugar here, nutmeg. I'm gonna put some nuts in mine at the end. We have some milk, we have some butter, and we have some vanilla essence. So I just put on my stove here. Just put on my pot. So let's get started here. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put in your sugar and your butter and your milk. This is 1 tin of milk. Alright, and put it on low heat, okay? And you have to keep stirring it. Stir it until the sugar and the butter dissolve. Alright, guys, you can't really stop when you're making fudge because it's going to burn. Alright, so this is a lot of stirring, so you have to make up your mind to stir this butter for a good, stir this fudge for at least about a good 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, so we'll be back when everything finishes melting. Okay guys, so it has been 50 minutes I've been turning. So it finally started bubbling up. So you have to keep stirring and stirring and stirring till it gets a little bit more thicker. I'm gonna put in my nutmeg now as well. I'm gonna put in my nutmeg and keep stirring it. And my vanilla essence. Alright, and you just keep stirring, stirring, stirring all the time until it gets thick. So we'll be back. So far as 50 minutes I have been stirring it. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this has been 25 minutes stirring it. Oh, my hands are hurting me, but I gotta keep stirring. So when I get a little bit more thicker, I'll be back. Stir, stir, stir. Okay guys, so the next step, what I'm gonna do now, to be sure to make sure that it's ready, I have a bowl with ice water here. I'm gonna pour some of the mixture into the ice water like this. we're gonna see if it's gonna come and turn into a soft ball, just like this. So it's ready. So I'm gonna take off the stove and keep stirring it. And now is the time when you put your nut inside. I had a whole set of nuts, but I eat it out. While I'm stirring for all these minutes, I just eat out the nut. So you're gonna keep stirring it until it gets a little bit more thicker. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I turn off my stove and I'm stirring this fudge. You have to keep stirring till it gets a little bit more thicker. Right, so we'll be back when it reaches the right consistency. All right, we'll be back. I'm using my hands, but if you want to use a hand mixer, that would be better. They're going to be easier for you guys. You see, I'm using my hands, so it's a little bit more harder when using your hands. But if you use a hand mixer, it's much easier. Okay, we'll be back. Okay guys, so I have been turning this for about a good 15 minutes, so it reached the right consistency. So I'm going to put it into this container. I'm going to pour it over into this container like this. We'll be back when I finish pouring it over. Okay guys, so I done spread out my fudge here in this container. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna leave it let rest and get a little more hard, but in the meantime I'm just gonna mark it so it can be easy for me in the morning to cut it. All right, now it's about 1 in the morning, so when I get up it should be hard by the time then. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, so this is when I got up this morning, I cut the fudge into squares. So this is the end results from my Guyanese milk fudge. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, today is Vlogtober day 5. I'm going to show you the piece of the fudge here. These fudge are so delicious, guys. So delicious. See? I'm going to taste it. This fudge, it's melt in your mouth. But it's very tempting to eat all of this fudge, but don't eat all of this fudge because you can put out some good weight. Me personally, I have to give away this fudge to some of this fudge to my friend, because if I leave this fudge in this house here, I'm gonna eat out all of it, and you girl trying to lose some weight right now, so I'm trying to lose like 50 pounds, so eating all this fudge wouldn't help me. Alright guys, this fudge is so delicious. Every bite, it's melting in your mouth. But quick note, follow my steps, guys. Follow my steps, exact what I did, and your fudge gonna come out soft and nice, just like mine. Alright, so enjoy. Stay blessed, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow again.